So students, our next topic is division of rational numbers. Okay, we did the addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers. Now next topic is division of rational numbers. Here x divided by y. In between the rational numbers, division sign is here. Now how to solve? In place of division, we will write multiplication sign and we will write the reciprocal of next rational number. Here x divided by y, we will write it as x. In place of division, we will write multiply sign and reciprocal of y means here y upon 1 is given, we will write it as 1 upon y. And we can write it like this, x into y raised to power minus 1. Okay, we can write it like this. Clear? Here, now worksheet 5, question number 1 is divide. First part, 2 upon 5 by minus 1 upon 3. Okay, here you have to divide this rational number by this. We will write it like this. In here we will write division sign minus 1 upon 3. Same, I told you earlier, we will write 2 upon 5 as it is. In place of division, we will write multiplication sign. Here minus 1 upon 3 is given. We will write it as 3 upon minus 1. Okay, we will write it like this. In place of division, we will write multiply. Minus 1 upon 3, we will write it as 3 upon minus 1. Now, in case of multiplication, we know we will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. It we will write in standard form, minus sign will be with the numerator. Okay, this is the answer. Same second part, minus 7 upon 4 by 1 upon 8. Here in place of by, we will write divide sign. Now same minus 7 upon 4 we will write as it is. In place of division, we will write multiplication sign. Here reciprocal of 1 upon 8, we will write it as 8 upon 1. Multiply sign is there, we will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Like this we will write. Here we can cancel it. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. We will multiply these two, minus 14 upon 1. This is the answer. Okay. Now going to second sum. By taking x equals this and y equals this, verify x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. Here values of x and y are given to you. You have to verify this. Okay. Same. Firstly, we will write the values of x and y. X is equal to 3 upon 4, y equals minus 5 upon 6. To verify this, we have to verify. We will write it first. Then firstly we will take LHS here, x divided by y. In place of x, we will write the value of x. In place of y, we will write the value of y. Here division sign, same as we did earlier. 3 upon 4 we will write as it is. In place of division, we will write multiplication sign and we will write the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of this means we will write minus 5 upon 6 raised to the power minus 1. We can write it like this, or directly we can do this step. Okay, directly we can do this step also. It is up to you. 3 upon 4 multiply 6 upon minus 5. You can cancel this. 9 upon minus 10, we can write it as minus 9 upon 10 as standard form. Same, now we will take RHS, y divided by x. We will write the values of y and x. Same, in place of division, we will write multiplication sign, reciprocal of this. In 3 upon 5, 4, we can write the value power minus 1, or directly we can write the reciprocal of it. By cancelling, after cancelling, we will find the value of this minus 10 upon 9. See, here LHS is minus 9 upon 10, RHS minus 10 upon 9. In this way we can write. So, This is not equal to this, hence verified. Okay, this is the solution. Thank you.